Welcome back to Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today I'm unboxing a light pad kit from Amazon. It was sent to me by the seller and I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Lirunqiu. And this kit has an A4 light pad. As you can see, it's an A4 USB light pad, and it is $19.89 on Prime. There are supposed to be 59 pieces in this kit, so we will open it up here and check it out. Alright, what's in the box? Let's just pull these things out so I can show them one at a time. Here's our USB cord for the light pad. Gets that first. It's at the very bottom here. Alright. This is the typical paper that comes with light pads. Now this is an A4. These are instructions. These are global. I mean, it's not specific to their company, but it shows the size of an A5, an A4, SV USB. I don't know what the difference between the SV and the USB. It might be how the power, if it does it by steps or if it goes by gradual, coming brighter and brighter. That might be what that means. I'm not sure. But then there's the A3. Basically, the A4 is twice the size of an A5. So an A5 would be half this size. And the A4 is half the size of an A3. So an A3 would be double this size. And then an A2 would be double the size of an A3. I have personally, I own A4, 3, and 2s. I'd like to get an A5 for travel, but right now I have an A4 in my travel bag. I'm just afraid, always afraid it's going to get broken in the car. So, here's the light pad. Oh, it actually includes a protective film over it. So let's take that off. Boy, not that easy. To be honest, I have not had a light pad go out on me yet. I've had the cords go out, but not the light pads themselves. So we're going to go ahead and check this light pad out. I don't have... Amazingly, I don't have a canvas right here that I can try it on that's not completed. This is a pretty long cord. It's longer than my 5'8" frame. This much longer than 5'8", so I'm guessing it's it's close to 6 feet, a 6-foot cord. Alright. Okay, wait a minute. That's the USB. Here's the mini USB. Okay. Plug her in. And then plug this into a USB port somewhere. See if I have one available. I have to unplug something. There we go, and I can see the little blue light coming on. So it goes in steps. So 1, 2, 3, and there's our bright setting. Nice and bright. I don't know about you, but I only use it on the brightest setting. like to have a lot of light when I'm diamond painting. So, nice bright light pad. Then, I use these as well. I take one along with me in my to-go bag because they're good for traveling, because you can adjust them to where they're flat, and they're good for storing in bags that you will be needing little, you don't have as much space for. So you just insert your one side of the stand into the holes, and then you put the other side into here, and then you have a light pad stand. And it does adjust. It will go up. So you can have it at this angle, almost straight up, and then down. I don't know, does it have 2 or 3? I think it only has 2. Yeah, it has just the 2. Basically straight up and then angled, which I prefer angled. I think straight up is just a little bit too straight up when diamond painting, when trying to diamond paint. So there is the stand that comes with it. And then you get this bag. It looks mesh, but it's not. It's plastic. It just has this mesh material on the inside. So you get a storage bag for your goodies. Now, when they say 59 pieces, I believe they're counting every square of wax as well, because it does come with wax. I don't know if they're counting how many pieces they're counting this as, but there are 28 slots in one of these containers. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mini boxes that have lids, separate lids for each one. We sell these in our shop too on drillpinfrenzy.com. So if you want just these, you don't have to buy a whole kit. But they come in 7 of these. And each one has their own lid. So, I don't know if they're counting this as 8 pieces. But right now we're up to 11, if that's the case. So there's that. And then we have a zipper bag full of more goodies. You get a large angled straightener. I know some people that like these. We carry these in our shop as well. I tend to not be able to use something this big when I'm doing row straightening. I like to use my handheld ones that are a lot smaller, easier to maneuver. You know, this is the handheld row straightener. I like to use those more than I like to use these, but if this is all I have handy, I will use that. Because I do have one of those right nearby too. And this is a really old squishy I made. So they do break after a while. Anyway, what were we talking about? Alright, large angled straightener, that would be number 12. Maybe they're not counting each compartment. I don't know. Next, you get 2 green boats. That would be 14. You get one of the white boats. That's 15. You get a sheet of labels. 16. I've lost count. You get some baggies. You get a sheet of wax. I dropped. But there are 2, 4, 6, 10 squares of wax. You get a pair of the plastic black tweezers. And let's see, you get 4 pink pens with the brass tip single placer on one end. And looks like you get a 9 placer, 2 6 placers, and a 3 placer. And lastly, you get 4 large clips. I like these large ones. I own about 1 million of them. But they're great for clipping your diamond painting to your light pad or your tilt table. It depends on how big your diamond painting is. So you get 4 of those. Alright, so let's count. There's 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll wait to do this last. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this will probably be 10. So that's 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28, 29, 30, 31. And let's see if they're going to count these. That would be 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, because they, obviously this is counted as one. So we're up to 38. And I'm guessing there's 20 bags, because that would be 58. And then maybe this bag here is the 59th. I'm looking at the website right now. Let's see what they're counting. It doesn't show what they're counting. And the list for what you get shows, okay, here it is. 1 light pad. You get the cable. Okay, that's the 59th item, I'm sure. 1 stand, 4 clips, the fixing tool, the bag with zipper, 1 painting roller. Okay, it says that you get 1 diamond painting roller, but I don't see that in the picture, and I definitely don't have a roller here. 28 grid storage box, so that's counts as 1. 3 plastic plates to hold diamond painting. Here, that's the 3 plates. 4 stick pens. 1 plastic tweezer. 20 glue clay, so it says you get 20, but there's 10. So maybe this one's just missing those 10. And then the numbered stickers right there. And 20 PVC bags. So there's supposed to be, there's 20 bags in here. So it shows, from what it's showing, it looks like we are just missing, I mean, the roller is not in the picture, so I don't know, maybe that's a misprint that's included, but even just by counting the 10 glue, and if you count these separate as 7, then yeah, 59 is kind of pushing it, but you do get a lot for the 20 bucks that it costs for this kit. And a lot of places you pay that much just for the light pad alone. So this is a pretty good deal. I will use many of these pieces, and I will find something to do to store this with this. I am always needing storage, so I think about the only thing I won't use, or probably can't use, is the green boats, because I now have a ton of them, the baggies, and the tweezers. I do give away the tweezers all the time to people that buy trays from me. But these are very wonderful for traveling, having this stand, and the clips are very useful. This is very useful to kit things up. I use them all the time still. Of course, the light pad's useful, and the cord, obviously, is very useful. labels. There's a lot of very useful things in this kit for 20 bucks. So if you want to check them out, I will leave their link down below in the description box. If you don't know how to find the description box, leave me a message. Unless you don't know how to find the comment box, then I guess you can email me. But it's not hard to find, and there are videos on YouTube that show you how to find the description box, how to find the comment section, whether you're on a computer or on a mobile device. But it's pretty simple. It's down below, and you really can't miss it. You might have to hit a little arrow or show more, but all that information, all the important information for videos, most videos are going to be in that description box. So have a look, find the link for this kit, and it will take you directly to it on Amazon. So thank you very much, everyone, for watching this unboxing. Please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and then the bell to be notified if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.